Ever wondered about the real corporate identity behind some of your favorite business tools? The name on the official documents, the one that holds all the legal weight. It's a common question, especially in today's digital landscape where apps and platforms are ubiquitous. We interact with them daily, rely on them for crucial tasks, but often, their underlying legal structure remains a bit of a mystery. Take Jobber, for instance. If you're in the home service industry, plumbing, landscaping, HVAC, cleaning, or any field service, really chances are you've heard of it. Maybe you even use it every single day. It's the software that helps you manage your clients, schedule jobs, send quotes and invoices, collect payments, and generally streamline your operations. It's designed to make your life easier, to bring order to the often chaotic world of mobile workforces. But for all its familiarity, for all the hours you spend navigating its intuitive interface, have you ever stopped to ponder, what is the legal name of Jobber? It might seem like a niche question, something only a lawyer or an investor would care about. But understanding the legal entity behind a company like Jobber offers a deeper insight into its operations, its history, and its very foundation. It's not just a technicality. It's a peek behind the curtain, revealing the official identity responsible for the product you trust. It speaks to their commitment, their accountability, and ultimately, their longevity in the market. Before we dive into the specific answer, let's set the stage a little more. In the business world, a legal name is distinct from a brand name or doing business as DBA name. A brand name is what a company uses for marketing and public recognition, like Nike or Google. A DBA allows a business to operate under a name different from its registered legal name. Think of a sole proprietorship named John Smith, operating as John's Auto Repair. The legal name, however, is the official name under which the business is incorporated or registered with government authorities. This is the name that appears on contracts, tax documents, and all formal legal correspondence. It's the name that legally binds the company. So, when we're talking about Jobber, a company that facilitates millions of transactions and manages sensitive client data for thousands of businesses, knowing its legal name becomes more than just trivia. It's about understanding the entity that holds the legal responsibility for data security, service agreements, and financial transactions. It's about knowing who you're truly doing business with on a foundational level. Now, let's get to the crux of it. The legal name of Jobber is Jobber Systems, Inc. Yes, it's that straightforward. Jobber Systems, Incorporated. This is the official corporate entity registered in Canada that owns and operates the Jobber software platform. They are the legal backbone behind the brand name Jobber that you interact with daily. This incorporation indicates a structured, legally recognized business entity, separate from its founders or individual employees. Why is this important? For starters, it signifies a level of formality and accountability. An incorporated entity like Jobber Systems Incorporated has its own legal standing, meaning it can enter into contracts, own assets, incur liabilities, and be sued, all in its own name. This separation from individual owners offers a degree of protection and clarity for both the company and its users. Furthermore, understanding that Jobber operates as Jobber Systems Incorporated can be relevant for various reasons. If you're a partner looking to integrate with their platform, you'll be dealing with Jobber Systems Incorporated on legal agreements. If you're a large enterprise considering a custom solution, your contracts will be with Jobber Systems Incorporated. If you're an investor, due diligence would involve scrutinizing the financial and legal standing of Jobber Systems Incorporated. Even as a regular user, knowing this information provides a more complete picture of the company you rely on for your business operations. Jobber Systems Incorporated was founded in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. This Canadian origin is also part of their corporate identity. While they serve a global clientele, with a strong presence in the United States, their legal home is in Canada. This means they are subject to Canadian corporate law and regulations, which can be relevant for international users or partners. The journey from a simple idea to a thriving incorporated entity like Jobber Systems Incorporated is a testament to the hard work and vision of its founders. It started, as many successful tech companies do, from a pain point. The founders saw the struggles faced by small and medium-sized home service businesses in managing their operations efficiently. They recognized the need for a comprehensive, user-friendly software solution that could handle everything from initial client contact to final payment. The decision to incorporate as Jobber Systems Incorporated was a crucial step in this journey. It moved the operation from a fledgling startup to a legitimate business with a formal structure, capable of attracting investment, hiring employees, and building a sustainable future. The systems in their legal name also subtly hints at the core of their offering, providing systematic solutions for business management. It's also worth noting that the legal name rarely changes for established companies unless there's a major corporate restructuring, a merger, or an acquisition. So, while the Jobber brand might evolve visually or in its service offerings over time, the underlying legal entity, Jobber Systems Incorporated, is likely to remain constant. This stability provides reassurance to its user base and partners, demonstrating a consistent and established legal framework. So, the next time you log into Jobber to schedule a job, send an invoice, or check your dashboard, remember that you're interacting with the well-oiled machinery of Jobber Systems Incorporated. It's more than just an app. It's a legally recognized and structured business committed to supporting your success. Understanding this fundamental aspect of their identity not only enriches your knowledge, but also underscores the seriousness and stability of the platform you've chosen to integrate into your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.